Hi, welcome back. So we've talked about zirconia, but all of us like to look at actual cases. Here's number 19. This was fabricated with ceramic zirconia, A3, and polished only. As you can see, ceramic zirconia was more opaque than the newer fabrications, and it still works well because, it's still got great margins and fit, and it's in the posterior, and it kind of does match the PFM that's way in back, so I think it's totally acceptable. Here's an example of number 2 and 3 using ceric MTL zirconia. We can see the shade is wonderful, and you can see in the x-ray that the margins look really nice. Here's a case, and we are going to compare here zirconia versus Emax. Number 31 was done with ceric MTL A2, pre and post polished, and number 30 was done as an Emax MT A2 stain and glaze. And you can see they're pretty close. I think it looks really nice. Number 30, Zirconia A2. It's a KATANA product. It looks absolutely amazing. You can see how the translucency really blends in. Here's a number 3, KATANA Zirconia. And once again, you can see how beautiful that color looks. Number 31 is done with KATANA Zirconia. And you see, compared to the restoration in front of it, it matches up really nicely and looks really lifelike. Here's number 18 and 19, also done with KATANA Zirconia. You can see this preparation was a little bit more modified, not a lot of retention, but it was bonded in place and looks absolutely gorgeous. Here's a bridge from 4 to 6. So here number 5 was extracted and a xenograph was done and a temporized with an ovate pontic. She then milled ZirCAD Multi MTA3 as a bridge, and she stained and glazed it. An example of anterior crowns and bridges. Here is number 7 crown and number 10 through 12 bridge with KATANA Zirconia. That's an amazing smile. I think that looks really impressive. And abutment crowns. This is an abutment crown made with KATANA Zirconia. As you can see, it's been cemented to a custom abutment and then screwed in place. And then the last case we have here is number 14. So number 14 was actually sent out to True Abutment for a custom titanium abutment. And then she actually designed the crown with the core file. Using the gingival mask, she actually could see the screw access hole, and she made a dimple in the green state of the restoration. And this way she was able to actually make it a screw-retained crown. It was made with KATANA STML A2, pre-polished and post-polished. Looks fantastic. I hope these images have shown you the possibilities of zirconia. And now that we've cemented it, how do we remove it? And that's what we're going to talk about next.